While security officials are continuing to brace themselves for what could be an unprecedented backlog of migrants seeking asylum along the southern border. 9 on Your Side's Brianna Isbell spoke with an immigration attorney about what the end of Title 42 means for migrants who are seeking asylum.
The end of Title 42 brings the return of Title 8. So what is next for migrants seeking asylum?
The difference now is that they have an obligation under the law to process people for asylum.
Title 8 reverts back to a decades-old section of U.S. code that allows migrants to seek asylum with credible fear.
They have to go through a certain process to make sure that the person is qualified for asylum, and if they're not, they can deport them, but the person asking for asylum is entitled to a legal process that they weren't entitled to under Title 42.
But this process can be both lengthy and difficult. Under Title 42, the Biden administration began denying asylum to migrants who arrive at the border without scheduling an appointment with Border Patrol through their mobile app, CBP One.
The problem with the app is that, first of all, a lot of people don't have phones that are capable of downloading the app. They have to have a phone. They're asylum seekers. They don't have usually a lot of money to be paying to wait in the app.
While the app will still be an option, U.S. Customs and Border Protection will begin processing migrants who arrive at a port of entry without the app, even adding 1,000 appointments each day throughout all 8 ports of entry. But even then,
the line can be for days.
Title 8 also brings more severe consequences for migrants. Those who are caught crossing the border illegally will be removed through the speedy deportation process known as expedited removal. That would ban them from the U.S. for at least 5 years. Reporting at Casa Alitas, I'm Brianna Isbell.